June was a month that saw a lot of damaging winds, more than 3,000 reports in fact, many of those in a handful of widespread windstorms that we call derechos associated with thunderstorm clusters. Tornado-wise though, the number was below average. Preliminary count 125, which is 45% below the 10-year average of 228, just one tornado death in Iowa on June 24th. That brings the total number of tornadoes preliminarily this year to date to 564, 39% below the average of 931. Now, the situation is for July one of a declining number of tornadoes on average, about 107, that's 3 to 4 per day. The number of daily severe reports, though, is about 163. Still a lot of damaging wind and sometimes some hail reports, so we're still in a pretty active month. In terms of the tornadoes, though, we've passed the prime time on average for tornadoes. May is typically the most active month. We dropped from 298 down to about 107 and continue to decline. But still, as you see there, no month is immune from tornadoes in the United States. During the month of July, tornadoes typically are across the northern plains to the Great Lakes to the mid-Atlantic, as well as a few coming from some of those thunderstorms that are down in Florida. The ones up in the north are there because the jet stream is to the north. That supplies a lot of wind energy, and that's where the storm systems tend to travel. But to start this July, we're anything but that. The jet stream in a big dip south to near the Gulf Coast states and then all the way up into New England. So for the first week at least, the limited tornado threat goes from the northeast to the southeast. That just goes to show you that things are not always average. So when weather conditions get favorable, no matter what month of the year it is, you can get a tornado.